Welcome to Road and Drive, the channel where we bring you the latest in automotive news, reviews, and detailed insights into some of the best cars on the market. If you're a car enthusiast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C10, a car that blends cutting-edge technology, performance, and design into one incredible driving experience. The 2025 Corvette C10 is powered by a beastly V8 engine that delivers exhilarating performance. The engine's displacement and horsepower are designed to offer an unmatched experience on the road, with plenty of torque to back it up. Whether you're accelerating down a highway or carving through a winding road, this car is built to thrill. When it comes to transmission, the Corvette C10 offers both manual and automatic options, giving you the flexibility to choose the driving style that suits you best. The number of gears ensures smooth shifts whether you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. This model is rear-wheel drive (RWD), providing that true sports car handling experience. The low center of gravity and responsive steering make it a joy to drive, with a suspension system designed to keep you in control no matter the road conditions. The advanced suspension and shock system help maintain stability and ensure that each drive feels balanced and smooth. The exterior of the Corvette C10 is a stunning representation of aggressive yet sleek design. The body style is a coupe, offering an aerodynamic profile that screams performance. Its dimensions are optimized for speed, with a wheelbase that enhances stability while maintaining its nimble nature on the road. Inside, the Corvette C10 does not disappoint. The interior is both luxurious and functional, with seating for two and premium materials like leather upholstery and optional wood trim. The cabin features modern comforts, including heated and cooled seats, providing the perfect driving environment no matter the weather. With all the right technology features, it feels as advanced as it looks. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Corvette C10, and this car comes equipped with a suite of advanced features. From airbags to the anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic stability control, ESC, Chevrolet has made sure that you're protected at all times. These systems work seamlessly to give you confidence behind the wheel. Infotainment is another area where the Corvette C10 shines. It comes with a premium radio system, CD player, and an intuitive navigation system to keep you on the right track. Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to sync your devices, ensuring that you're always connected while on the go. Additional features like cruise control, power windows, locks, and an optional sunroof make every journey more enjoyable. The Corvette C10 also offers luxury upgrades like chrome accents and performance enhancements such as sport suspension options. Notable updates for 2025 include improved engine performance and technology features, making the Corvette C10 one of the most impressive models to date. If you're into high-performance cars that offer both style and substance, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C10 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Road and Drive for more in-depth car reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you on the next drive.